Long, Joy and Dura.
Hakabayadei bat gajing sngokia halor ke chingwan pen khamnya bat chingwan buhai shnong bi an ki briu ki banabar jala na gajingwan ra e Lynti rel ha Meghalaya udkhot ka cabinet Rakkam Sangma ulakantai ya kani da ka baong ba ki nong wan rung bi an cha gajala kem wan da ki rel ni ki lingsun henry lang ba ki chaka khaput ha gajala bat kari Bangladesh ula bancher ba gajing don ki kendon an ha gajala ki ba kenthop ya ka 6 schedule ki autonomous district council bat ka hok bat khendo ki long ki kenduan ki baklan ki banyada ya ka hok chong ki trai jela usangma ula kedo shushu baga 6 schedule kan yai long ke jingada ka babyang tam na ka benta ki trai jela ula kedo ru halor ka khana samari jong usnem arajar khatwe ka bapen I baga south Karo Hills ka don tang khatwe hajar ngut ki briu ki badai ki trai snong ka north Karo Hills pra hajar ngut bat ka west Karo Hills ka badon palat lai point san lak ngut ki trai jela.
Meghalaya is open border. Meghalaya is open border. I'm sure I have to admit today in the West Karo Hills, you see thousands people are there. Did these people come through railway? Does these people come through flight? No. So illegal is illegal. So suppose our border is open, completely open. Anybody can enter, anybody can. But thank God for the pioneers of our parents, forefather. The founding father of the district council, they have laid a strong mechanism for 6 schedule for the tribal people of the state.
Upurning star Shabong usamla ubana